Hi guys, welcome to Track Kick Offroad and our top 10 gift ideas for the off-roader. First on our list is a mall rated badge for your Jeep Buddy. For just $15 at JCR Offroad, pick this up as a stocking stuffer or just a gag gift. Second on this list is a wrench roll. The wrenches are not included for the price of $16, but you can get this in a variety of colors and sizes. It's really nice to keep your wrenches organized out on the trail. And you can see the price varies per color and size, but many options. Great gift. Third on the list is going to be a Rhino USA tire plug kit. This is really nice to have when you need it, because when you don't have it, you need it. And for just $26, this 56-piece kit is well worth it as a gift. Fourth on the list is a deflator tool. I don't have one of these, but I'm always borrowing one, so I would recommend this as a gift to any off-roader. Next on the list is going to be a set of soft shackles. This is kind of a new technology thing, but for just under $30, you can get it as a 2-pack, which I recommend getting it in a 2-pack. And you can get it in a variety of colors. This is an excellent gift because most of us just have the standard shackles. So this would be nice, a nice upgrade. Next on the list is going to be these fluid carriers from Trail Gear. Again, this is something I don't have, but if I got it as a gift, I'd love it and install it in my wheeler myself. You can put quarts of oil, power steering fluid, whatever in it. And it comes in a 2, a 4, and a 6 quart carrier, which the prices do vary per size. Next on the list is going to be something from another YouTube channel, Bleepin' Jeep, which is an alignment tool. If you know, most tire shops won't align an off-road rig. And a lot of our off-road rigs, we can't drive there. So this is an excellent gift to give to somebody that's kind of a do-it-yourselfer. And it comes in a pair, $5 shipped to your house. Next on the list is going to be a synthetic rope for your off-roader's winch. You might want to make sure that their vehicle is equipped with a winch and not already equipped with the rope. I'd recommend getting a 25,000-pound brake strength. But for $80, that's a steal. Next on the list is kind of a Max Trax replica by X-Bull. This is really good for your overlander or guy that likes to just go out by himself. It's a great piece of recovery gear to get you unstuck when you really have no other resort or no winch. You can slide these under the tires. They're going to get home safely. So it's a good gift. It comes in a variety of colors, which also vary in price. Last on this list, coming in at $170, is the V3 handheld radio 2-pack from Rugged Radios. This is truly what every off-roader out there wants, so definitely get this for them. This kit comes with 2 of everything, so you can give one to your buddy and be safe out on the trail if you get lost. Thanks for watching our top 10 list of gift ideas. Hope you guys have happy holidays.